amazing performance. Very, very best. Let's play the head-to-head. Okay, here comes your first question. It concerns chip shop menu. It concerns a chip shop menu. We'll see why anagram augmenting with a chip shop menu. Anyone's found them? It's been most obscure, very versatile. Thanks very much indeed. Let's reel off my anagrams. Here we come. We have got ad hoc, jam boy lovers, butch pity, young shakes, and security. He's right. 58. Donna and Johnny have sent for resources. That's right, that's having sent for resources. He's right. Now, Cheryl and Mike.
Yeah, the first one.